Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very well today, guys. I have more attractive, more stunning, more gorgeous videos. You look so elegant videos, and this video is all about the cardigans designs, long and short cardigans. We are more gorgeous videos. We are more elegant ideas, and long and short cardigans are amazing designs we are uploading for you. We are more stunning designs. You look so amazing. You look so perfectly and gorgeous videos. Gorgeous ideas. Amazing videos. Are you like our videos? If you guys are interested in my videos, you like so stunning designs. Are you more attractive designs? Are you stunning designs? If you guys are interested in my videos on long and short cardigans for more attractive designs, for more gorgeous videos, and you look so gorgeous, you look so perfectly designed, amazing ideas, amazing videos. So I request all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and more gorgeous videos. You look so stunning design. You look so perfectly designed. Amazing ideas, amazing videos, and we are stunning design. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.